Hello guys, this is another tutorial with the Flutter. In this video I am going to talk about row widget and column widget. I am going to create a Flutter project in Android Studio, or you can also create by terminal. Start a new Flutter project, of course using Flutter application. Next, and project name as row and column. Okay, now we can create our project. The company domain is my domain, sciker.com. Great, now finish. Now let's remove all of codes in main.dart file. You can find the main.dart file in your project location and lib directory. This is the one. First we need to create main function. In main function we have to call for run app. To fix that we have to import material.dart file in package flutter / material.dart. Great. Now we have to create a new class, new file. I'm going to use home.dart as the file name. Now we have to create a new class inside this home.dart file, class, and class name as home, and this is extended with stateless widget. To fix that, I'm going to import material.dart file here, package flutter / material.dart. Okay. Now put braces for this home class, and inside this class create a widget and widget name as build, add bracket and add build context inside this bracket, and this context name as context. Okay, now create braces. Now we have to override this build method at override. Okay, great. Now in main.dart file we have to call for our home.dart file. First import that, import home.dart. Okay, now to run home.dart file as a run app, call for your class, that is home, class name, and put brackets. Okay, now in home class I'm going to create a return statement for material app widget. Use brackets and put a semicolon. I'm going to make line spaces in this material app like this and put a home scaffold bracket open and close. Inside this I'm going to make line space like this, and we can put a app bar brackets, inside brackets make a line space and add a title for your navigation bar. As a text widget we can put something here, rows and columns. Okay, now after this app bar code we can put a comma and declare a body and use colon, and I want to use row widget. Using row widget I can put widgets like a text widget, horizontally. For example, as a one widget, I'm going to use a text as my name, and another widget as a text, I'm going to put my name. For that, use row, bracket, open and close. Inside this, we have provided children and use colon and these brackets. Inside this bracket, use widget, and finally we have provided square brackets like this. Inside these brackets, we can provide our widgets. As my previous example, let's do that. Text, bracket open and close. Inside this, I can put my name. First name is, and add a comma after this text widget. Add another widget as a text. I'm going to put my name, Ashay Nishankar. Now let's run this app to see the change. To run your app, search for your simulator or open your Android emulator manually. To open iOS simulator, use command and space for search and search for simulator. After you have clicked this, you can click this run button like I did. Okay, this is my app. Now let's organize this text by adding a style. In first text widget, add a comma. To add a style for that, use style colon text style bracket open and close. First add a font size for this. Font size colon 30.0 as my font size, and color for that text, color colon colors dot blue. Okay, now you have provided text direction. Text direction colon text direction.ltr. That means text from left to right. If you're using Arabic or something, you can provide RTL. Right now I'm using LTR. Okay. Also in this name, Ashay Nishankar, text direction as text direction.ltr, and style for this text style bracket open and close, font size as 30.0. Okay, now color for that, color colon colors dot, let's select blue. Now let's run this app. You are seeing change. Let's add a space after this is great. Now I want to add more text in this my name, Ashay Nishankar, D, and now let's run and see what's happening. You are seeing that my text move far away because of there is no space in display to show my text. How I can resolve this? By using expand widget, we can, let me organize this code first. expand widget, we can put text, and when this expand that widget using, you can take the space from your vertical area and horizontal area. Let's see what is happening, and you can understand that. Let's move this code to this expanded widget child colon like this. I'm going to remove this comma and let's see what's happening. Okay, now you are seeing the results. It's organized well. Now I'm going to add now let's move to column widget. By using a column widget, we can put widgets to vertical list. Let's see. I'm going to move away this row widget and we can put it here and comment. We need that in future. Okay, now after this body colon, we can create a column widget like this. Inside this, like previous, children colon widget and square brackets. Great. Now we can put text here. Let's use text and car name, and another one text Prado. Okay, now let's run this up. Okay, you are seeing the results. Now let's copy our previous text widgets that we have added in our row widget like this and replace with this text. Okay, I'm going to uncomment all of these. Now let's organize these codes. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and Alt and L. If you're using macOS, press Command Alt and L. I think I have to select this again. Okay, now finally to fix this, use brackets. Great, now let's run. Awesome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel youtube.com/SAIKAR.